What we're going to do in this video is to create at least two consecutive and concentric territories that are unique from each other. These territories will form an inner ring and an outer ring, and we can repeat the sequence for as many of these rings that we want. We already zoomed into an area of interest, so what we need to do is go to grab the radius selection tool. Go up into the toolbar, press radius select, move the mouse back into the center of our area of interest. Click and hold the left button, drag the radius out and release. This will select our postcodes, and if we wish to make any tidy ups of this area, go to single select, move back and unselect any outliers. Our next step is to go and save that territory, which we do going territory, save as, from map selection. Give it a name. In this case it's the Sydney area, and we'll call it Sydney Inner. We'll generate a unique style for it, and we'll do a save now. This will automatically snap the map back into our selected area, but we want to go back to our previous view, so we go View, Previous. Given that we're going to do a second territory, we want to ensure that our selections that we're going to make do not accidentally include the previous territory. So we're going to go to Territory, Lock On, or ensure that it's on, and go back to our radius select, go back to the center again, move the mouse out and release, and you'll notice that it selects all the postcodes in our area except for the inner zone, because it has already been marked as a territory on the map, and so they are not reselected. We repeat the same sequence. We go to Territory, Save As from Map Selection, give it a name. This time we'll call it Sydney Outer. Give it a different style to our previous one. Save now. Now we have two zones, concentric and exclusive. If we want to, we can then move out to a further distance and create a third zone. We'll move out to something larger. Go and click on the radius button again, just to ensure that we do have that mode enabled. Move out again, and you'll notice that again it's the area that we've selected with our radius button minus the two previous territories. So now we have three exclusive and concentric zones. Again, to save it, we're going back to Territory, Save As from Map Selection, and we'll call it Sydney Regional. Give it a new style and save now. All done.